Can I predict the Bank of Canada's next rate hike before anyone else? The Bank of Canada's interest rate decisions have a huge impact on Canadians, affecting everything from mortgage rates to consumer spending. So, what's going to happen next? Will the Bank of Canada hike rates again? There's a lot of uncertainty surrounding future rate hikes, and that's making it tough to make predictions. The economy is always changing, and there are many factors at play. Global events, trade tensions, and even weather patterns can influence the bank's decisions. And let's not forget the impact of previous rate hikes, which can take time to fully ripple through the economy. One thing that's clear is that the Bank of Canada is keeping a close eye on inflation. If prices start rising too quickly, they might need to act to cool things down. But at the same time, they don't want to choke off economic growth. It's a delicate balance. The bank is also watching employment numbers closely, as a strong labor market can lead to higher wages and inflation. The GDP growth rate is another key indicator the bank is monitoring. A strong economy might call for higher rates to prevent overheating, while a slowdown might lead to lower rates to stimulate growth. And then there are the experts, who offer their own forecasts based on their analysis of the data. Market sentiment also plays a role, as traders and investors make bets on future rate moves. In my analysis, there are a few possible scenarios for the next rate decision. One possibility is that the Bank of Canada holds rates steady, keeping the status quo for now. Another possibility is a small hike, a quarter-point increase to try to stay ahead of inflation. A more aggressive hike seems less likely, but it's not impossible if the economy heats up quickly. The range of plausible outcomes is wide, and it ultimately comes down to how the economy performs in the coming weeks and months. If inflation stays under control and growth remains steady, I think the bank will likely hold off on another hike. But if things change, they might need to act. So, what does this mean for Canadians? In short, it's a reminder to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. If you're looking to buy a house or renew your mortgage, you might want to keep a close eye on interest rates. And if you're a consumer, you might want to think carefully about your spending and debt. What do you think? Will the Bank of Canada hike rates again? Share your predictions in the comments below. And if you want more financial updates and insights, be sure to subscribe to my channel for the latest analysis.